In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh For You page on TikTok. So what you want to do is you want to go to your TikTok app. From there, click on your profile on the bottom right. Then on the top right, click on the hamburger menu and click on Settings and Privacy. From there, you want to go under Content and Display, the fourth one that says Content Preferences. Click on that, and then the third one that says Refresh your For You feed. You click on that, and it asks you, want a fresh start? We'll show you popular videos to launch your new feed. The more you interact, the more personal your feed will be, including your ads if relevant, and your following feed, profile and inbox won't be affected. Click continue and then click refresh, and now we have refreshed For You feed. Then it's going to tell you why did I refresh my feed. You can give it reasons, or you don't have to say anything, just click on the X, then you click continue, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe.